Hello and welcome to Bish's RV. My name is Ashley and we are here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon on a bright sunny day. Going to take a look at a brand new Newmar today. 3401 is the floor plan. This is not a normal pallet that Newmar offers. This is something that we picked out especially, and also a lot of other options on it, including you can see there is an outside TV on this one. You'll see this is actually a very popular floor plan, this 3401, and it has two sides. One of them is a full wall slide. So if you have guests staying over, friends with you, you're going to have a sofa here that opens up into a bed. This is a booth that turns into a bed. Full stainless steel sink. You still have a 3-burner cooktop, but this convection oven microwave is also now an air fryer. Coming further back, our fireplace here. This is another option. Standard is just some cabinetry there. This particular one, we thought it should have a fireplace. I personally, in the back of my head, think of the 3401 as the closet, the wardrobe floor plan, as well as some pull-out pantry. And this is going to have more closet space than any of the other Baystar. Plenty of closet space there. Coming further back, one of the other new items for 2023 is this 10.1-inch screen. This multiplex screen, it integrates with all of your lighting, your auto-gen star, and air conditioning, so you can control a lot of things right from color touchscreen panel. Back into the bedroom, of course, we do have real wood sliding doors, so not just a curtain, giving you nice privacy. Back here in this one, you can see king-size bed, cabinets above, and even more wardrobe at the base of it. So this one has a ton of storage all the way across there. This model, a lot of people like that it's just under 35 feet, so it fits in mini parks. Great. And nice bright open colors. Again, my name is Ashley here at Bish's RV in Junction City, Oregon, and if you would like to know more about this model or any of its sisters here, please don't hesitate to reach out. You are more than welcome to contact me directly. I would love to hear from you. My number is 541-337-2387. You can call or text anytime. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.